back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to avoid copyright issues in CapCut edits. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply avoid copyright issues in CapCut edits, you need to simply go to CapCut. Once you go to CapCut, you need to select a project first. Now to avoid copyright issues in CapCut, you need to use its built-in copyright check tool for TikTok. So once you simply check the copyright tool, you need to simply add a sound and tap on this copyright section to detect that the particular sound has copyrighted or not. So you need to stick to CapCut's library for royalty-free sounds and assets, and consider CapCut Pro for commercial rights, or find music from other licensed sources like Pixabay, and always verify uses rights for platforms like YouTube, as CapCut's check is TikTok focused. So this is how you can avoid copyright issues in CapCut edits. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.